You gonna push the lion?
Yeah.
Are you gonna push the lion forward? Move the lion. Make the lion go. Good job, Sean Bear. Move lion. Good job. Where's the lion going? He's moving. I'm getting it on the little video. He's moving on his knees. Sean Bear, if Daddy could see you now. You gonna move the lion? Sorry, babe. I have to video this. Daddy's on the phone while we play, and poor Daddy's just listening, but we'll show him the video. Ready, go. He's up again. Move that lion. It's hilarious, babe. Wait till you see this little video. Go, Sean, go. Move that lion.